Okay guys, we just showed up to Rigby car show. We rolled up in that beautiful thing. We have this 620R back again. We got the Shelby, and then there's Zach again. But I'll update you guys, show you around. We got the cool hydraulic lowriders rolling in, but no, dude, this thing was so much fun to ride in. It's a crazy car. There's gonna be some cool Corvettes and things. Yeah, it'll be a good show. And it's crazy turnout. There's a lot of cars here already. Like, registration opened 20 minutes ago and the whole park is pretty much filled already. So it's gonna be a good show. Okay, they're going to get some gas and then they'll come back and get ready to go drag racing, so we'll film them. But got more cars rolling in. I had a square, or not a square body, but I had a short cab truck just like that, but next generation. We got a lot of cool trucks, see? Square bodies. We got the split bumper Camaro. Another square body. GT 500. Oh, I can't think, it's probably 70, mid 70s. Look at this freaking Malibu. That says it right, that's got a 502 on it. Beautiful color. And then we got this truck, chopped the roof off of. Super sweet. Firebirds. And then the older pickups, and we got this truck back here that's got a trailer that matches with the truck. Yeah, these things are crazy cool. Okay guys, we got the beautiful C5 Corvette here. Gosh dang, I love this color. 6-speed car. I wonder, let's see what year it is. It's a 2000, so this is when they kind of bumped up the power a little bit, but I can't wait. I'm trying to get one of those. Buying and reselling cars, that's what I've been trying to do, is to get to one of these, and so you guys will be able to watch the journey of it a little bit, and we'll be able to hopefully get one of these bad boys. And look at a Rhino-Lite truck. Got the BMWs. Got a red 350. Mean car. Split bumper Camaro. 1980. Look at that interior. It's pristine in there. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful car. And then look at this Mustang. Oh, it's for sale too, huh? Well, could be one of your guys's. Beautiful car though, wow. The inside of that too, that's crazy. We got the Lambo back there, but look at that. Okay, we got more to go, so I'll let you guys know. Hey guys, that's a 65 Impala SS. Crazy car. Oh, what is this? I can't remember. Plymouth Fury, that's what it is. Okay. Sorry guys, some of these older cars is a little difficult to remember. There's so many. Beautiful truck. F100. California Special. Is that what I think it is? What is it? Factory ripple. Beautiful car. The interior is awesome too. Amazing car. Probably really freaking fast too. Crazy. Got the Corvette. We got this cool Firebird right here. Got a Mustang. We got this awesome Camaro. Short cab, cat eye. Oh, okay. That's pretty sick though. Yeah, look at this. Oh, hey, that's pretty sweet. Is there any surprises in there? No, that's okay though. That's a pretty sick truck though. We got the Mach 1. Bugs. Crazy stuff. And we'll come over this way, see the cool tractors. Sweet trucks. El Camino. Oh, look at that Hellcat. Oh my gosh, that's sweet. GT 500. Look at these Corvettes. Color matched on the front. Color matched on the back too. Crazy, and I love this color. Such a beautiful color on this car. And the interior as well to match it. Wow. That's a dream spec right there. Wow. Got all the cool trucks. Got some awesome stuff here, guys. Okay, we'll head on to the next row, find our new stuff. Look at this thing, guys. Cool little chop rod.
Over there in about 15 minutes.
Sweet truck.
Hey Adam, let's give away another door prize.
That's crazy. Cool Jeeps.
If your window sign is
WS6 Trans Am.
173, you are a lucky winner. Come to the
Amazing.
information booth. We have a prize for you.
Got ourselves a split window Corvette here. I love this color. Just an amazing car. Long hood. Wow. The most beautiful cars ever made, in my opinion. Cool truck. Got a stock RX-7. That's sweet. Big F-350. 454 Chevelle. Yeah. Just some awesome cars and trucks here. A lot of cool builds. Restorations. Let's see. Look at this. Beautiful Corvette. 58. Wow. Look at this truck, guys. Not only is it beautiful, 56 Chevy. Look at those wheels too. If I'm right, that's an LS1 with a Pro Charger? Yes, sir. It's crazy. Pretty sure this is a Coupe de Ville, but that's not right. It's a compound turbo setup Cummins. Freaking sweet. Interior as well, look at that. That's awesome. Rag top too. Oh, it's on air ride. That's a huge car. Look at this Corvette. Interior sweet. Big old long hood, 79. Wow. Mustang. Right there. Chevy truck. Camaro. This thing's beautiful. Super cool. I think C10. Oh, look at this one. Crazy. Look at this thing. Look at this one too. These are cool. Plymouth Coupe. This truck is crazy cool. Cobra engine. Wow. Oh wow, look at that. Oh. He's got a dragon on there. That's sweet. Let's take a look at this Camaro real quick. Oh, that is, I don't even know how large that motor is. That is ginormous though. Yeah, especially because it's a drag car. Ah, look at the tires. Those are crazy. Okay, let's go look at the Lambo door Camaro. It's super cool though. Interior's done. Color matched inside the doors. Oh, okay. Whipple on the Camaro. I don't know if it's an LS3 or not, but that is a crazy Camaro. Wow. Okay guys, look at this awesome first generation Camaro. Full custom interior. Super cool.
These seats are carbon on the back.
Yeah. Full resto mod. That LS engine in there. This thing probably freaking rips.
Brendan, your mom's an LS engine.
Oh, shut up. That's crazy. Okay, guys. Shelby Cobra LS1. Interesting. Bet it's still fast though. That's crazy. Okay, guys, look at these cool Camaros. So we got this SS right here, and then we got the cool Trans Am body kit. Let's see. I'll set it there for a second. If you guys want to pause and read it, you can. It is for sale. Look at that thing. Isn't that crazy? It's a beautiful body kit. Look at the interior as well. Look at that. Wow. That's crazy. The wheels too.
Come here.
It's amazing.
We've got 3 people.
Amazing car.